Problem number 7 reads, given the following triangle, which is the closest to the length of BC? Okay, you have answer choices that you need to determine the correct answer. So when you look at this triangle, you need to identify your 90 right here. So and start naming the sides. The side opposite the 90, hypotenuse. Now here's the acute angle that you have to work with. Remember that the two sides that form the acute angle, one is hypotenuse, the other is adjacent. Okay, from this angle, this one here is opposite. I'm going to write that in. Okay, what do we have to find? We have to find the length of BC. We're going to let that be x. Because there was nothing there, I can put a variable. Now, what two sides do I have to use? Well, I have to use adjacent, and I have to use hypotenuse, the opposite. So what trig function uses opposite and adjacent? Okay, you need to get this memorized. Tangent will use those two sides. Okay, put that degree symbol in. Okay, opposite divided by adjacent, which is 3 divided by x, comma x. Finish that problem up.